Okay, so section 1.9, powers and exponents. It's really hot today, so I'm going to try to do this quickly, and hopefully I won't mess anything up because I don't know about you, but my brains are melting. So, just 3 simple rules, and we're going to take a look at them, practice, and that's it. So, the first thing you need to know is definitions of exponent and base. So, an exponent tells you how many times a number called the base is used as a factor. So for example, here you have 10 times 10 times 10. So this is used as a factor 3 times, so it's 10 to the third power. Okay, pretty simple. All right, so give this a try. Write these in exponential form. So given the factored form is just where I'm actually writing it out as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So I want you to write it using an exponent, give it a try, come back in a minute, and check it out. Okay, so here I'm using 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this is 3 to the 5th power. Okay, then this one's a little trickier. You have -4 times -4, and then 5 times 5 times 5. So -4 times -4 is -4 to the second power, because there's 2 of them, times 1, 2, 3 5s, so 5 to the third power. Okay, the law of exponents for multiplication. So very simple rule. This is one of the first 3. When you multiply same bases, and you have to have the same bases, that's important, you add the exponents and keep the base. So here the base is 6, and here the base is 6. They're the same, so I'm going to keep it. Now I just need to figure out what my new exponent is going to be. So I'm multiplying the bases, so 5 plus 3, because I'm going to add the exponents. 5 plus 3 is 8, and that's it. So try this one on your own and see if you come up with the right answer. Okay, so you have 7 as a base in both of them. So that means that our law is going to work. And since it's multiplication, I'm going to add them. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, pretty simple. Okay, so for division, it will work pretty much the same way as multiplication. For multiplication, we had to add the exponents. For division, we're going to simply subtract them. So if you have the same bases and you're dividing them, you will subtract the exponent. So here, it's 3 to the 6th divided by 3 to the 2nd. The bases are the same. They're both 3's. And then since this is division, we're going to subtract the exponent. So 6 minus 2 will give us 4. Try this one on your own and see if you got the right answer. Okay, so this fraction bar right here, it means the same thing as division. So since we're dividing and we have the same bases, we're going to subtract the exponents. So we're going to go 7 minus 3, which will give us 4. Okay, last one. Now, laws of exponents for 0. These trucks keep on going by. So laws of exponents for 0. Any number to the 0 power equals 1. Pretty simple. Any number to 0 power equals 1. I don't care if it's a trillion, gazillion, billion, whatever. If it's to the 0 power, it equals 1. So in this case, you have 3 to the 6th divided by 3 to the 6th. Same basis, so you keep the base. And then the exponents, I'm going to subtract them because we're dividing. So 6 minus 6 gives us 0. So 3 to the 0 power, we know that anything to the 0 power is 0. Oh, sorry, is 1. So, okay, so try this one on your own and come back and see if you got it right. Okay, so here you have the same bases. They're both 5s. You're dividing, so you're going to keep your base. and subtract your exponents. So 3 minus 3 will give us 0. And then we know that anything to the 0 power is 1, and you're finished. Okay, so I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully it will not be quite as hot.